Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
ये आदमी मरेगा तो आप लोग रिस्क से करेगा।
Kajing Penteri kami kakat fastak banyak rungling bagi Tol Plaza. Kelawan ra kajing persyak kabajer haka Tol Plaza hapas i West Gentia Hills mentak kasni habaki driver tourist kila persyak pensiu arsya kabairung namar kajing mam dan fastak haka kali jongki. Kita driver tourist kila dap si hendrup hotingka habak kila rungling bagi Tol Plaza menem step but hadu menen damiet hendrup hotingka kalong kabairung kabaimi. Hadian berkeluan pai nak kijak kajing le jongki. Kita rest driver kila pen iya kaslip bekla siu reporting ka hende kinong tray Tol Plaza kila pan bisa biang naki bat kani kila pen bitar de driver tourist ki driver tourist kila sange ilaki kali bat kila hala persha kinong tray Tol Plaza bat kani kila wanra ka jingdhang kali ka bajor bha ki magistrate ki bakin thop ka kong wai molong uba max chalam UADC ba lingkor kenjing badu SP Bikram di Marak Kilala Herwood ketika jaka bantam ya kejing huri hura. USP ulah kerpat iki driver tourist menpelat ya kejing let kali. Namar ka kata ya kejing let jingwan jang ki breu khamtam ki bapang ki basitom. Tiki driver tourist ru kila menjer menpelat ya kali. Bar ki klam ailat satya ben krong bairung na kino ki kali.
Nakali yang yong kinong kamay kari warok do mapo yong koloma ko jangtia na do is jangtia kham tam ye kinong chong chong yong ko jangtia ipat sa jori ya kani ka jingle yong ka sarkar hijing to ko en hai rupen krek kami lo pasta hijing skiat to upai por ki ya ki pa yong i wo yang ki ko isna ko kam wa hijing to wo kani ga jing chim ka bu yong ki chim fair trip ya ki kari yong i man ko ka jing yo roi ya ko hok yong i kam ki tri chnong yong ka ni ka thau nei liang yong i kam ka seng yong kinong ka mai kari i kwa i nei benta kini katu kan i por i gerpar i sarkar was nyau ha ko ila chwa i ulai kam jo lai man ka ni nang yo gi pun bai ni jing e jing to ki kam ko ke persen ke cispa hi ki driver yong i to pen kami ye ni ka fastak hijing to ogani hijing skiat ka red ko ka sarkar bo go to so phau lai chi phau iwan ko mut ka total yong ka man ko so phau handrai snya phlai wo to wo kini kinong yang tol kit ini chim ko bugi wo him bai ki kam wa ru phau lai ru phau iwan ka tele em to ka chi sngi handrai kani ka jing chim yong ki man ka trip ko ilai hab isu ya kani kan ru phau tong ka ko kida pensitom bengi ye igi driver kinong kamai gari ko imjang po ka kam kamai da hinin dor chimgi ngau oi pi i mendal poi met pelum pelangi im yo i tang thet kho i kon yong i ko em kam ya ki jing em kam hayung asem yong i mani ko su le pha tong ka don ni an re jing to da to ka da ko order ro chim ko bu kam kinong chong chnong yani ko hok udaw wa kam kinong chong chnong nei bentakan sarkar muda pun baik ya gini di gendrum gendram sarkar to wailat go i waulai kam to ulai man dak ni ko mude pa bisa ada di sini umur kamu mantan bosnya bah go chim kia smart hajingnya to wani khanang wa yaulai umi arui ara hagini gisni go dawan TV wa to wem gordan andrei na ki ni kita go chan him gi rabon dadaka sarkar himye ko pen baik ye gini kijing ki wo kendrum kendram ini i naga liang yong ka se yong i woro kam ginong ka mai kari Ciro bagi nong chong chenong yong ka Rijan Tia menyayongi ilai sakamat.
Di naliang kami Kalia People Labor Union, ya kini isu hajing sket achim ini duduk slam kuat ya ki toris ko chim gi ya toris taksi driver ko chim gi ni jing kek nambah cuawan ketul kek ni ide yo gini kejing berawan. Contoh pipot raman kam tu, nai ko wasau longok cucuk ko naliang ke sarkar mo. Naliang gini nong bijak yung gani ketul kek. Hawa kiwi ketul kek em kejing per hapo em kejing per ke kom chim ni ki. To hapo ding pesok lada ke ML05 ki chim tador ki. Ya ke ML04 and M10 chim rehe. Dekat wah ni wan M04 M05 chim ki keju. Dekat sakawi wan la. To kam ki nong penjat yung haji to pun ni resmi man go naliang ga Meghalaya People Labor man go jing penrem. Yela wak ki magistrate ki disim yi ki chim kam kini karai ko man lada jia WM kujut sistem ni tayang. Iu bak kli ite. Buat orang di embori, untuk iklam ke nahai di nong penjat juga ni orang di utel membor hak iklam sedelhi, semampai. Perdana minal yang kata haji sket kam kibor distrik tu lem gi kejing bak klik, kawan kejing dia hap pun baik buat. Ne bak ngadap iklam makin tu orang lada mi pun baik immediately si kujut sistem kaman man. Kena itu tahu ini yang ke sarkar ngam kerpat ngam perdana bujur ke sarkar, wa ibor palat ke ya kini ke toolkit, chim gi ke bor akti yongki. Hendak kat kam ka hok ke yongki kam ki nong penjat distrik MG ke bor. Ya naliang ngabu kejing maham sarkar wa iya kan ni open baik ke but. Ne ba rupa lain rupa wan hak trip. Cispa arpau up down. Lalisin susin cisi kat wan kejing ketak ya kini ki wa kamai keri. Hatau yo jakon ke pusai kon gi ne usuh gi ketika pusai kon gi usuh no lai pusai gi kini ke tolkit dah ini.
Ini lagi dengan magistrate tu MK ni. Teman-teman meeting ni. Teman-teman meeting ni sampai ada lagi ni cagebor punya jadi ni. Yang cimkia ni kan nampak ayam kubur kan kubur, ayam kubur lain.
Ila le chim gile phao, iwan le chim gile phao. Hang fast tak le ju a gi. Hang fast tak tum chim gile kuasa tang a gile ga bang akau. Da mana pa bang akau pa MC phone. Lagan ucing a gi ke cisu. Iso sin lai kispa arphao nya isu. Ili nu yoi, ubam mo the pnyang mo tu.
Nalor petrol usap.
Agin fast tak dan itu dang chim chuk ikas mo beno.
Mem nalor wad dep le gi fast tak mem chim gi mo tang wada a gi ka fast tak. Ye ka fast tak ban belahi wa gi kam chim gi kam ni. Tu krek kam gi borsin manda halo dang dep su fast tak puani delu det ka belam ile ni dah tu. Itu to em kami kelam yuki. Ni wan pratrit delut nong. neji ru charge bi wondrus pak hoy ma ci sni upload pi du ka da bai toket i kamai les pak ci sni lai bai piang lai bai kamai kata lor te sekebai ba nah itu kate kat ni udah satu piang
Dia tahu kan isnyau ini percaya. Sampai ini jauh dia yang dia tahu kan ini teman mut makam ini dia lepau teman mut ini yang ya ini dia. Kalau dia tahu ya itu lepau hindi hak arwah serta.
rupa dalam biang tekat tenuan ruan
pau ya dia tahu ini dia no igam di lokal kami turis hotel wato dia tahu running dari lesen sosen running ini. Ini kali yang iman hati tahu kan ini di gaman iman bayu ya percaya kan ya dia tahu kan fast tak sayaผมยี่ดีกันกัดกำก็ตัวก็สตริงhanya lek bawa wilayah kendai kilometer nongแต่sikit tu kau nak kena duk nak pramah ni em tang 10 kilometer lek entok tang 10 kilometer lek em dan nak kena duk ni halom chnong lek ubok genukกัดกำก็anyen 10 kilometer dan ni halom chnong em sang kilometer lekจะเช็คกันสิเต้จำตัวสุยem tu get arteliga tu get aku pergi surok
ulah
Dapat terpilih di association kita kan di gemuk introduce lagi.
So need to close the safari is direct with high rates on this one. Safari.
Your main problem is regarding the collection of higher rate.
See, sir, we already have a meeting yesterday with Deep Singh sir at Joy. So the discussion was there, and we had discussed with him that to convey to the government. But as of now, this FASTag is enforced, or people will not cooperate. So as it is, let it be as it is. Don't try to enforce it by force so that people will declare something which will turn into tarnished thing. So we demand from the DCC. We know that as per the National Highway Rule Authority, there is an act which says that within the radius of 20 kilometers there should be an exemption. Within the radius of 20 kilometers, that will apply along the National Highway within the radius of 20 kilometers. That means the area of Changpong, Pasay, there's Manso and all this who fly along that side, they should be free. There must be an exemption for them. A free lane must be provided for them as per the National Highway authorities. These people, they do not provide a free lanes to them. So this is the problem. See, we are using only 10 meter, 20 meter of National Highway. Why do we pay 60? Why do we pay 60? That's why we demand from this toll gate, until or unless this toll gate provide a free lanes to all the people of local, we will not allow this. And number two, we already discussed with DC sir that this problem, it will be continued. People will not cooperate. So therefore, we request DC sir, let it be as it is, and we will have find until or unless we find some solution on this. So as of now, these people enforce the FASTag. Plus, the order came at midnight. Why did they enforce yesterday in the morning, since morning? What happened to those money they have taken from the public? If it is not an extortion number, what it is? One thing, in the account of the people, most people here, they are poor. They do not maintain even account. If they are doing FASTag, through which account they will pay?
Local pass. Okay, that is with the district registration number ML04. If they do FASTag, they issue their FASTag to their vehicle. They have a facility of 275 rupees pass. With 275 rupees, they can move unlimited time from the toll. For only private vehicle.
No, this 275 is for a month now?
For a month.
For a month, unlimited movement.
Unlimited movement for private vehicle or for the ML04 district registration. Okay. And second is for the taxi, commercial vehicle, ML04 district registration. There is a facility of with FASTag, they can pay only 15 rupees per trip. If they go, they have to pay 15 rupees. If they come back, they have to pay 15 rupees. 15. Okay.
That is irrespective of the registration local taxi?
Yes, irrespective of local taxi.
It has to be ML04?
No, it's a local tax. Maybe
Hey, local taxi,
registration.
here also it can be 05, 04
With
and clearance
no,
also.
no, sir. Only for
They are
district
local,
registration. Only for district registration. ML04. System will actually we have to upload RC, right now, and system will get only ML04. Okay. Third point is people is not meant to have account. In regarding this, FASTag no need any account.
Yes.
They can recharge it by cash by our POS agent. Okay.
If they like purchasing a SIM card.
SIM card.
Exactly.
And have you made any provision in the store plaza?
Yeah, yeah.
For FASTag?
Yes, yes. I have. I think, ma'am, there is three of POS point of sale.
Where?
3 point of sale from NHI and one from Paytm. One is here, ma'am. One this office and second is building also. I have also promised to traffic inspector, Mr. Khatri sir.
Yeah.
So I will provide him POS agent.
Because from our
But in-
traffic branch also we have offered that we will accommodate their POS in our traffic branch.
If
I
they
think you can explain to them what is the function and how FASTag works.
Yes.
Like, I think many we do not understand.
What is the
district,
FASTag
yes.
and that, no? Okay, ma'am, I can explain it. FASTag is just like a SIM card which is registered to your vehicle number with your mobile number also. There is needed only vehicle registration, that is RC, and your mobile number. When FASTag is issued to your vehicle, this is like works like a SIM card. You have to recharge it there, and when will you come to the toll gate, there is a scanner, RFID reader. They will scan the tag that have a small chip. Microchip is there. There is small and detected from your wallet account that you have to recharge like 500, 1000. That amount will be deducted from your FASTag